Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, I am Tobiloba Ray. I talk about my lifestyle, I talk about faith, I motivate you, I give you market vlogs and every other fun and good stuff. So in my last video, I talked about how I started a side hustle, how I started a business and everything inclusive. If you haven't seen that video, please go see the video how I started my scrunchie business actually. So if you haven't seen the video, please go see the video. So in this video, we're talking about everything you need to make a scrunchie, how to DIY a scrunchie. When I started seeing scrunchies everywhere, I was like, how is this thing made? Until I made my own research and I found out the things I would be needing to make my own scrunchie, and that is why in this video I'll be telling you everything you need to make your own scrunchie, either for yourself or for business. Yes, before we continue in this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Please share this video, turn on your notification bell so you get every video that I drop. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Very first thing you'll be needing is your fabrics of your choice, and most times I make use of the satin fabric for my own scrunchie, but that doesn't mean you can't make use of any other type of fabric. You can make use of any other type of fabric, especially if it's on demand. You understand? If it's on demand, if your customer is actually requesting for it on demand, you can make use of any other fabric. But I just feel that these satin fabrics are like the best. They're kind of the best fabric to use for this particular scrunchie, for scrunchies in general. I think these satin fabric are very good. They are soft on the skin, they are breathable, and it's just so nice. It's going to be very easy to wash and all that. But that doesn't mean, like I said, that doesn't mean you can't make use of any other fabric for your scrunchie. So you need fabrics, especially the satin fabrics, when you want to make a scrunchie. The second thing you'll be needing is a pair of scissors. You actually be needing a pair of scissors because you need to cut out, after making your measurement. And that would lead me to the third one. You need your measuring tape that to make your own DIY scrunchie, because you have to measure out you have to get the length and the breadth of the scrunchie you want to sew, because there are different scrunchies. You have the mini, the midi, the jumbo and all that. So you have to measure out the sizes. You don't just cut. You have to measure out the sizes that you'll be needing. The size of your scrunchie depends on the measurements you give out. You understand? So you'll be needing a tape measure. You'll be needing a pair of scissors after measurement to cut out your fabric. Most important thing that will always make your scrunchie look like this after you sew is your elastic. So this particular material, this is elastic. It's the one that is usually put in the fabric to make it have this pleats that you are seeing like this, to make it look this way. It is an elastic fabric that is usually put inside of it. I don't know if some other put some other things, but you just have to put something elastic. It might not be something as big as this, but something elastic has to be in it for it to have this plate and for it to be able to expand back any quantity of hair. So these are the few things you'll be needing, and after that, the most important thing is your sewing machine, which is actually optional. If you don't have a sewing machine yet, that doesn't mean you cannot sew a scrunchie. If you have your needle and your thread, you are good to go. You can sew your scrunchie. These are just the items you'll be needing to make your own scrunchie at home. So if you've been loving scrunchie on people's head, you've been seeing it around and you've just been thinking, how do I make this thing? Just get this materials ready, because in my next video we'll be doing a DIY scrunchie. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. Please turn on your notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.